Guys, we still have a lot of chili. Look. Wow. I think this is like the second year, guys. And this chili never stopped blooming. It always have flowers and fruits. Yeah. All the way there. Always. I love it, guys. Oh, diba? They're doubles, triples. Look at them. Like, a lot. Still have a lot. Especially there. Nice. And, si Madam, meron siyang upo, guys. Here. Sana ano pa siya, abot pa ng before mag-winter. Tapos mga tomato doon ni Madam. Ito, inuod siya, guys. So, di na yan siya lalaki kasi inuod na. I don't know where's the other. Pero ito, marami siya. Lots of new blooms right there. Pero hindi na yan naabot. Oh, dito may beans. Ayan. Maraming tomato si Madam. Yung maliit na tomato ganito, guys. Ayan, garden ni Madam to, guys. Doon, marami doon. Siguro pwede gulayin yan, oh. Yung bulaklak ng upo. Sinong nakatry? Oh, baka pwede din yung dahon. Parang kalabasa. Diba? Ito, guys, oh, ang cute nito. Pero hindi yan siya makain, ha. Lumaki na siya. Naging kahoy na yung bulaklak. Nahinog na yung guys, tomato dun, oh. Ang sarap ng panahon ngayon, guys. Very nice weather. Pasok na tayo, guys, kasi lamukin na naman tayo sa labas. Yung squirrel dyan, patakbo-takbo lang. Oopsie. Anyway, may mga plants kami dito, guys. So, meron akong lemon dito. May bunga siya, maliit. Dalawa dyan. Tapos dito din, dalawa. Tapos may bulaklak. O, diba? Tapos, meron pa dito. May malunggay. Merong citrus. I don't know if it's grapefruit or lime. I don't know. Ito, kalamansi to. Tinanim ko talaga to from the seed. So, dalawa tubat na matay yung isa. Anyway, I hope this one will survive, you know. Kasi namamatay yung kalamansi kung biniling $35. Oh my gosh. Sakit sa bulsa yun. Pinili mo ng tapos namatay lang. Sayang ang pera. Badje. Ano ba yan? Uy, may bagong dahon siya, guys. Wow, more branches. I love it. Okay. That's it for today. Bye.